Dallas's emergency management director says all 156 of the city's sirens were hacked and activated. This map here shows all of the sirens in the city. They're tested on the first Wednesday of the month at noon. Not, of course, around midnight on a weekend. News 8's Hannah Davis is next to one of those sirens, and she joins us now live. Hannah?
Marie, well, you're taking a look at one of those sirens, one of the more than 150 that went off last night for more than an hour and a half. And really, this is like something out of a movie, because today we're told this was done by hackers who targeted this city while everyone was asleep, or at least was asleep for a while. Now, this all started just before midnight last night when every siren across the city went off. Immediately, people were scared, confused, many calling 911 to see what was going on. Last night, the city did not have an answer, but today they do, calling this the work of hackers. The city says they do know how this hacking was done, but won't release that information because they don't want copycats trying again. Now, this is not the first time the city has been the victim of some kind of hacking, but what sets this apart is the sheer size.
This is a very, very rare event where all 156 sirens have been activated. There have been instances where they can activate 1 or 2 sirens, but in this event, they were able to get into a portion of our system that was talking to all our sirens throughout the city, and we're able to do that.
And Marie, we talked about all of those calls to 911. Well, they can back up the system, blocking real emergencies from getting through. That's one of the real dangers in the situation. And I talked to a professor of cybersecurity at UT Dallas who says these kind of hackings are becoming more common, and local governments have to make cybersecurity a priority going ahead.
So maybe they don't need to employ full-time employees, etc., but still they need to have cybersecurity assessments from time to time, maybe with other companies. There are many consultants, there are many people who are doing it.
And Marie, we still don't know the motive of why exactly the hackers did this, but whether this was a prank or not, there are real concerns here. Right now, this system is shut down, and they say they're trying to get it back up, but it could take until tomorrow or even Monday to get the whole system back up. Reporting in Dallas, Hannah Davis, Channel 8 News.
Thank you, Hannah. Dallas's 911 calls says that there was a surge of calls when the sirens went off. From midnight to 12:15, there were about 800 calls. The longest wait time, about 6 minutes. Over a 3-hour period, they got 4,400 calls. That is double what they usually get in an entire night. Dallas Mayor Mike Rawlings issued a statement saying, "Last night's hack was an attack on our emergency notification system. We will work to identify and prosecute those responsible. This is yet another serious example of the need for us to upgrade and better safeguard our city's technology infrastructure."